Dami pong food, bumabaha. Mga kauratsya, ang sungit ng aming waiter. Nagsumbong. Day 6 namin, Day 6 namin dito sa cruise. Breakfast kami. Mamaya pupunta kami sa isang port. Ano ba yung pupuntahan natin? Ketchika. Yung isa katunog. Parang lechika din. Shit. Mura, no? Shitka at saka lechika. Punta kami sa lechika. Breakfast muna kami.
Malayo pa yung correct.
Good morning.
Yung silver siya nagpupunta.
Kape-kape muna, mga kuratsa. Kape at orange juice. Fine dining kami ang aming breakfast. Wala pa kami ginawa dito kundi kumain. Mamasyal. Aate ka pa ba? God is good. Ang oras po ngayon dito sa Alaska ay 8:30. Friday the 13th. Tadadang! May laki number 30. Wala pa po yung order namin. Ah, wow! Ang color of the day. Black. I don't belong. For a starter, I'm having white toast with strawberry jam. Starter pa lang po ito.
Sour cream, salsa.
Ito na po ang breakfast. Hindi ko kinakain yan. Ito pwede. Ito, hash brown and scrambled egg. White toast with jam and butter. Burrito kay Don P. Parehas kami ni ate. Si Boy at burrito, si ate burrito, si kuya burrito. Paborito. Kain na po. Bon appetit.
Burrito.
Kain po tayo mga branch. Ngayon po yung mga nasi-serve sa later. Ang dami pong food, bumabaha. Mga kauratsya, ang sungit ng aming waiter. Nagsumbong. Masungit, masyado. Walang gana. Lalabas ulit kami, mga kauratsya. Iniwan na nila ako. Ayun, no? Donkey. Baliktad. Umuulan. Okay. Thank you. Uy, is this hindi madulas? Dito na kami ngayon sa maghanap tayo pa. Ano pangalan nito? Lechikan? Lechikan po. Ha? Ichikan. Ichikan. See that? Ha? Okay, later. Dito na kami sa Ketchikan. Ayun. Ay, naliligaw na po ako. Hindi ko na alam kung nasan sila. Hinahanap ako ng po. Video po more.
How we doing, guys?
I got Fairview City and Totem Tours. Buy one, get one free.
Wala po kaming excursion ngayon. So, maambon-ambon. Dito daw po palaging umuulan, sabi nila. Pero ilang araw kami dito, wala namang ulan. Ngayon pa lang. Pero hindi naman ganun kalakas. So, lucky us. Boring sa kanila yung pagka-cloudy at saka umuulan. Boring daw yun sa mga taga rito. Medyo malikot po at naglalakad tayo. Ayan, no? Mga kuratsa, oh. Tingnan yung mga kuratsa, oh. Shout out sa mga anak. And everybody. Love you. Hello, Alexa, Amber, Hannah, JJ, Jen, CC, Lance. Love you all. Ayan yung sinakyan namin. Serenade of the Sea. Later po. Gamit ang aking mahiwagang payong dahil maambon-ambon. Yung nagbibidyo. Benta rin natin. Ayan na po ang makikita. Hindi na pagmumukha ko. Pagmumukha na po sila Elmeda naman. Matubig po rito. Everywhere you look. Water, 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 water. So we are here in Ketchikan, Alaska. Makulay po ang buhay dito. Later. Si Dompi, balot na balot.
I remember.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Later. And welcome to Ketchikan. So we're here in Ketchikan, Alaska. Again. For the benefit of the doubt. Ah, lumalas po lang. Papayong muna ako. So this is one part of Alaska. Doon po sa dulo ay may statue ni Andres Bonifacio kasama si Teodora Alonso. Kuya invento. Ay may kibusina, ha? So, huwag po sana ako madapam. Friday the 13th, lucky number. Ayan po, oh. Ayan po si Andres Bonifacio at saka si Teodora Alonso. Yan po yan.
Dito nga yun.
There you go, Ketchikan. Ketchikan. Para nagmumura eh. Yung dati naman shit ka. Mura. Ayan po si Gregorio del Pilar. Gregorio del Pilar. Visitor Center. Ayan po. Kaya ako namimingwit po siya. Ito naman si Teodora Alonso. Panayan shopping. Teodora Alonso talaga. Ayun pa. Kanina ka pa ba dyan? Pasensya na, late kami. Salita ko. minsan na lang araw-araw. Pero ang laki na ng tinataba namin lahat. Grabe. Gusto lang maiwan ako. Magbablog pa rin ako. Sisigaw na lang ako ng Darna. Madapa ba ako.
Half-hour tour, and I am fully commentating the entire thing. Also, if you hold any questions that you have until we're on one of our stops and I'm not in the middle of a tour on that stop, I'm going to start. So, I'd like to Wasa Iti.
Wasa Iti.
And if you get it right, you'll get a free ride back into town. How does that sound? Now, also, before anybody has a chance to ask him or accuse, there's no bad words. In the 90s, President Clinton turned our land into a national park, which effectively federally protected our forest from being commercially logged anymore. And that basically shut down our log down to 11,000. So we got 11,000 year-round residents after that. The first 15 years we went from 11,000 to 12,000. So that's where we're at today. Can't be called Eagle Point without eagles around here. These doors right here on the... You're welcome.
Totoo yan? Na pre-reserve? Pinatay nila.
Will be the first, will be the king. Not right now.
How did everyone enjoy the song with you folks? Folks want to hear a traditional song?
Sure.
Yes, yes.
So, this song has been passed down from generation to generation. Bus go around.
Oh my goodness.
I'm kidding.
Where's on the bus
So the song I'm going to share with you is called the Tlingit National Anthem. It's quite a long song, so I'm just going to potlatch. And in a few minutes I'm going to explain to you what a potlatch is.
Over your mouth.
This is called Mary. From that direct building on the left-hand side here is Loudon Street Brewery. It's a good place to go get a local beer. And the parking lot next to it is the location of Ketchikan's first hospital. It was a hospital until about 1960 is when they shut the doors down as a hospital. 1961, Ketchikan General Hospital opened up their doors across town, which is now known as Peace Health Ketchikan Medical Center, because they offer on the right-hand side here. There's a big drop-off that a lot of salmon did not make it up. It started to thin out. The salmon started being less and less rocks. On the other side of this bridge over here, the water deepens up and slows down a bit, and also there's sand and gravel for them to spawn. So some of them will start spawning right there. Most of them will continue swimming up to their main spawn ground, which isn't really much further. Right up around the corner here where we catch up to the creek, underneath the bridge we're going to be on, and further up off to the right. Now, this time of year, they're just what we used is what we had available to us. This island, the nickname of it is The Rock. The Rock.
You're
Because anything else that could be woven out, weavers can weave out of the cedar bark. The carvers will use the western red cedar for their large projects like totem poles, canoes.
This is our day 6 day here cruising. We're still here in Alaska. Mamaya po babiyahin na ulit kami. And 2 days, babalik kami ng Vancouver. And then, it's over. Back to reality, mga kuradya. Ganun talaga. Kape lang kami. Kakain ko lang. Yun sila. Dito kami sa fine dining. Ayun, dilim. Yan po. Thank you.
Basically, everyone will do.
He's the head waiter. And he's in charge of like our 2 guys.
Ayan si Priscilla Almeda. Yolo, don't be tugog. Ayun o, mga order ni lobster. Silang 3 lobster. Ito po lobster, hindi ako makain. Pero umorder ako, kakainin daw nila. Ayan o. They don't be lobster din eh. That's it.
Ito, picture mo.
Pareho din eh. Sa kanya plain.
Plain rice.
Later. Mga kuracha.
Chocolate ice cream.
Itong aking dessert.
And there's like
Baked Alaska.
around.
Hindi pa na nakunan. O, ayan kay Boyet. Ano nga ulit yan, Boyet?
Banana, cocoa, custard.
Banana, cocoa custard. Pareho kami ni ate. Kuya wala. Si Don P ayaw na. Kapi lang. At si Priscilla ay nag-aabang. Hindi raw niya maubos.
A pleasant evening, ladies and gentlemen. May I have your attention, please? This evening, your servers and your chefs will be performing a dance number for you. If you guys are ready, feel free to wave those napkins in the air. Let's go!
Ano?
Ayun, wait, nandun ako.
Saan?
Tumalon siya, namumuli doon sa bandagita.
Wave those napkins in the air, ladies and gentlemen.
Wala akong nakita. Nasaan, te?
Mamaya ulit.
Hindi na yun. Nakita mo?
With you. Now that the cruise is almost over, let me introduce to you this wonderful culinary team, of course, and our hard-working chefs, led by the man, David.
6th day namin sa cruise at may show ulit. Manonood kami.
Marquee. It's a production show. Hello. For the production call.
Production. Chukchak Chen as ever.
Marquee.
So, takpan mo yung kilikili mo.
Not out. Marquee. Oh, yeah. Marquee.
There you go. Later.
Ben.
Mga kakuracha, oh. Ano na rito, pasado. Past 8 na, no? 8:30 po, pero tignan nyo, napakaliwanag. Ay. Di po ba, kala mo, ano, maga? Pabalik na po kami ng Vancouver. It's Friday the 13th. Walang ginawa kundi kumain, mamasyal, sarap ng buhay. Dito po mga kuracha. Pag gumahangin, ang lamig. Oh, ayun na. Hindi na ako. Later po.
Ito ka pala po